So welcome to the 26th Masters Conference. This is our annual event of delivering technical knowledge to you, our clients.
You never know what innovative solution can pop up from a simple conversation with an expert.
This is one of the best trainings out there in the market.
The people that are helping throughout the labs and the presenters have done a really fantastic job. You can tell they care about the experience and the feedback that they're receiving from the people here.
Every class is very well put together. The instructors are always very knowledgeable, and they're always willing to stick around afterwards and answer any questions that you have.
And so far, it's been really good. I've been exposed to FPGAs more on what they do, how they work. I don't think I would have gotten, that exposure anywhere else. So I'm happy that I'm here.
I actually make home.
So if you're designing or developing in one of our partners' ecosystems, we want to be there, and we are there today.
We have the products to be able to add security with secure elements, secure microcontrollers, to be able to provide that.
At some point, these products have to interface to the real world.
Which makes it a question about who you build it with. We're able to support this now and for years into the future.
You have a plethora of different classes that you can take to learn about, everything you want about Microchip product.
If you're looking to see new products or to solve current issues, you can come to Masters and get a head start.
I would definitely say next year try to come because there's gonna be always something you're gonna learn. The next decade will belong to the companies that help the engineers solve their very, very complex system problems efficiently, reliably, and quickly. Thank you for trusting us with your designs. And let's go build the next decade together.